Yo, what's good everybody? It's your boy back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about how to tell if you're actually improving in your art or not. So we're going to go through a couple of tips, right? So the first tip is you need to keep some of your old drawings and look back at them. Look back at those old drawings and compare them to what you're doing now. A lot of times you'll see that, like, wow, okay, I'm shading differently now. I'm approaching this in a whole different other aspect, because improvement is small changes over time. And those changes are so small that a lot of times we can't even see it, we can't realize it. So the next tip is when you have the ability to actually perceive your errors. This is probably why a lot of y'all clicked on this video, because you've noticed a lot of errors in your art. You've upgraded your perception, how you look at your art, your eye, right? You upgraded that. You know, that's like a key factor in art, is the ability to perceive. So, you know, if you can't see the error, then you can't correct the error. This is a good thing, because now you know what is wrong. You know, this part of the section is wrong. And that's, I don't want to say that's half of the problem, but that is a part of the problem, right? So it is good that you are seeing the errors. Now, another tip is if you realize that you need to go back to studying the fundamentals of art, and this kind of goes back to my last tip of recognizing your mistakes, but it's another level, right? It's another level of understanding, right? So it's one thing to understand that this is wrong, but it's another level to understand what it is that is actually wrong, right? My anatomy is wrong, so I need to go back and study my anatomy. I need to go back and study form. So what I've learned from my journey is that on the road to improvement, you're gonna have to always go back a level. I can remember thinking that I've made it to the next level of my art, and I find a problem. I'm like, okay, did this, I can do this, I can, you know, I can draw whatever I see. That's one level. If I see it, I can draw it. And so now I'm getting more into like imagination. I want to make my own characters. And then you start trying to put that on paper and you realize, what, this doesn't look right. Why does my stick man is not looking right? You know, the proportions are off. It's looking ridiculous. And then you realize, wait a minute, I don't know anatomy. That's probably the reason. I need to go back and study anatomy and to brush up, to get better at this level. That's how you know that you're getting to the next level, right? It's kind of crazy. You know, you get into the next level, you know that you are improving and you are getting to the next level because you realize that you missed something in the last level. So now you have to go back and study that. It's perfectly normal as an artist to get to a certain level and then realize, I don't know enough. I need to go back and study this some more. The mere fact that you are looking at this video means that you are serious about improving your art. And the mere fact that you have that type of mind state, you're on the road to improvement. So I hope you got some type of value out of this video today. If you did, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and as always, I'll holler at y'all next time. Believe that.